Want to use your favorite song as your ringtone, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to set a song as your ringtone on Android. Now let's get started. To set a song as your ringtone on Android, you'll first need to have the song audio file downloaded to your device. You can use any MP3, M4A, or WAV audio file that you like. For this example, I'm using a royalty-free track from YouTube's audio library. Open your Settings app and select Sound and Vibration. Select Ringtone. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to create a new ringtone. Then select the audio file for the song you want to use as your ringtone. You can choose to use the entire track or just a selected portion. Tap Save. Your newly created ringtone will then be added to the top of your list of ringtone options and will be set as your Android ringtone. Repeat to create additional ringtones with other songs if you like. That's all it takes to set a song as your ringtone on Android. For more helpful Android tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.